Yes, I'm back here as promised, and today I'm going to show you a unit here that is for sale or for rent.
Hi everyone, this is Anna here, real estate negotiator from PropNex Realty. I'm here to show you Block 163 at KL, near KLCC area. Let me show you around this place. This is the living room. What I like about the living room is the colorful sofa here. I really love the colors. And this is very artistic of the designer because this olive chair stands up over here among the beautiful rainbow color sofas.
While relaxing on the couch and enjoying your favorite TV show, there's a small study area where you can also sit down, open your laptop and get some work done.
From the living space, let me show you the kitchen. In this unit, we have a fridge from Electrolux. And the oven also from Electrolux. Very good brand, huh? Okay. And then we have a cold and hot. Comes with a sink. Yeah. So display inside your dinner.
The top and bottom kitchen cabinets and drawers give you a lot of storage space, and this unit comes with a toaster, water boiler and coffee maker.
Come, let me bring you to the bedroom. Are you excited? Okay. Very comfy, right? White. And while you're sleeping, you can also watch TV. And I like this painting over here. I love the colors. Purple, beige, and ochre yellow. Okay, let's look at the view here.
If you are a city person who loves city lifestyle, you will surely love this place. This place is suitable for foreign expats, single or couple individuals, and minimalists. It is also very good for investors as there are many people looking for places to rent in KL.
Where do you put your dirty clothes, right? See, we have a basket over here. Open up and then just throw your laundry inside, yeah? We have an ironing board and an iron, okay, for you to iron clothes. And what's important here is mirror, okay? After you dress up, you want to make sure you look good before you go out, right? So, mirror is important. And whatever valuables that you have, like jewelry or whatever, you can put it inside the safe. So make sure that you will not lose anything valuable in this room.
All these shelves and drawers will help you organize all your things and avoid clutter. And you can certainly plan what you want to wear for a week by using this hanging place to hang your clothes.
Let me show you the bathroom. So the bathroom comes with a hair dryer, and if you like bathtubs, yeah, we have a bathtub here, okay. Then today I'm not going to soak myself inside. Okay, and towel. And there's a painting here. Nice enough. Nice, yeah?
The windows in the bathroom provides natural lighting during the daytime. This is a very complete and comfortable size bathroom, don't you think? The blue and green tone gives a relaxing and calming feel to this bathroom. So, what do you think of this unit? Very nice, right? You have everything that you need inside a small living space. I think I really like this kind of lifestyle because it really is so neat and organized. If you're interested in this unit, it's available for sale or for rent. Do contact me and we can discuss on the pricing. Hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.